Hey, what's up guys, it's Banu here from androdollar.com. In my previous video, I went ahead and compared the new Apple Watch Series 5, the Huawei Watch GT2 and the Samsung Galaxy Watch Active 2 inside a swimming pool to check which smartwatch has the best swimming mode. In this video, however, I'm gonna go ahead and see which smartwatch is the best when it comes to running and fitness related activities overall. So let's go ahead and put these three to the test. If you guys are new to my channel, go ahead and smash that subscribe button right now, and you can find my individual videos on these three smartwatches down below in the description as well. Let's go ahead and run out and see which smartwatch is best for running.
This is the Apple Watch Series 5 Nike edition. So it actually has a bunch of workouts built in Apple's own workout application. So you have access to a lot of workouts, but since it is the Nike edition, you also get access to Nike's Run Club application that also has more fitness related activities, specially focused on running. So you can use this to make use of these guided runs as well as other features that are provided by Nike on this special Nike edition of the Apple Watch. Not only that, if you head into the workouts application by Apple, other than the workouts that are available by default, you can go to add workout and add other types of workouts here as well. So if you do cross training or if you do core training, you can go into that and create a separate workout just for that. Not only that, if you go into the add workout option, you also get access to other sports like badminton, basketball and all of that, and you even find an option for dancing if you do that quite a lot on the Apple Watch Series 5. So you can get a really good workout experience on the Apple Watch Series 5. This is the Galaxy Watch Active 2. It actually has a bunch of workouts that are built in. So right now I have a fitness focused watch face over here. So I have direct access to the workouts application from here. So here we have all the workouts that are listed on the Galaxy Watch Active 2. The special thing here is there's also an option called more workouts on this, and the good part here is some of these are focused for gym activities. So if you do crunches, the bench press or deadlifts at the gym, or if you do other gym related exercises, all of that is available on the Galaxy Watch Active 2 by default, and it even has support for yoga just like with the Apple Watch. And if your workout doesn't match any category, there's a section called other workout, so you can use that as well. So the Galaxy Watch Active 2 also has a good selection of workouts when it comes to fitness activities. This is the Huawei Watch GT2. It also has a bunch of workouts, so if you access the main menu, you can find the workouts option, and under that it has a bunch of workouts, and there's also other sections. So if the type of workout that you're trying to do doesn't match any of the things that are available, you can select that and perform your workout. And other than that, the Watch GT2 also has access to workout records, so you can see your past history and make the maximum when it comes to your fitness life. So this is what it looks like when all three are active when I start outdoor run workout. So the Galaxy Watch Active 2 and the Apple Watch Series 5 are able to have the always on display, but the Huawei Watch GT2 actually turns off the screen when the workout is going on halfway through. So let me show you right now. As you guys can see, the Apple Watch and the Galaxy Watch Active 2 are able to keep the screen always on.
In order to put all three watches to the test, I wore all three watches and kept running, and then I wore each watch individually and then also did a separate running workout to see what the final result would look like. First, let's have a look at the Huawei Watch. While the workout is going on the Huawei Watch, it will show me how many steps I've taken and the time that I've taken, the elevation, then the heart rate, and then it will also show me the average pace in a nice little animation. It also finally shows the training effect while the workout is going on. On the Apple Watch, it shows a summary of everything with the time, the heart rate, the average mile, and all those details. If you swipe to the left, you can lock the screen, start a new workout, pause the workout, or end your current workout. Once the workout has been completed, it will show you a summary of everything along with the number of calories you have burned, the elevation gain, and it will also show little things like the weather and all of that. On the Galaxy Watch Active 2, once the workout has been completed, it will show the duration of your workout, the average steps, the heart rate, and it will even show the location in a map on your wrist on your watch. It will show a nice little summary on the Galaxy Watch Active 2. So this is what it's like to wear all three watches and do some testing outdoors. Let me know if you guys have any other ideas for me to go ahead and test out these smartwatches by dropping a comment down below.
Well guys, that's about it for this video. I hope you guys found it useful. Definitely go ahead and let me know which one is your favorite fitness focused smartwatch out of these three. So your picks are the Galaxy Watch Active 2, Apple Watch Series 5 and the Huawei Watch GT2. I've also made a similar video when it comes to pool workouts. I'll have a link for that video down below in the description, as well as a card right here in case you didn't check that out. Definitely check it out as well. And I've made individual videos for each of these watches, so definitely check them out as well. I'm really tired right now after working out so much. I've been doing some extra testing with these three watches for the full review, and the full review of all three will be dropping separately. So definitely subscribe right now if you want to check out those videos with more details and more coverage into these three watches. Definitely when you subscribe, go ahead and hit on that notification bell icon also, because that's how you will be notified when those new videos drop right here on Andro Dollar. If you appreciate this extra effort, definitely go ahead and share this video with all of your friends all over social media. And talking about social media, in case if you guys aren't following me on social media, definitely go ahead and do so. I'm at Andro Dollar. All the links are given down below in the description. Stay tuned to androdollar.com for the latest from the tech world. And if you guys have any other video requests featuring these three watches, drop a comment down below and let me know. And guys, with all of that being said, until I see you guys in my next video, this is Banu signing out.